Hello dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use two same application like same WhatsApp or two same Facebook or two same Messenger in the mobile phone. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the setting and click on search options and search here for clone or dual messengers. I am searching dual messengers. So when you will search dual messenger, you will see dual messenger options. Click on it. And then you will see these are messengers like WhatsApp, Snapchat, messengers or Facebook. So I want to use two same WhatsApp on the mobile, so I will click on it. So then you will see install a second copy of WhatsApp. Click on install options. So after that go to back. After that go to back and you will see there are same two WhatsApp. You can see my first WhatsApp have been logged. So if you want to create another account on the another WhatsApp, you can create it. So if you want to use dual messenger, then again go to setting and write here dual messengers. So when you will write duals and it will show a options dual messenger, click on it and then you will see dual messenger options. And when you will click on messengers, then you can see install a second copy of messengers, then install it. So in this way you can use a dual Facebook, dual WhatsApp or dual messenger on one phone. So by following this process you can easily use dual applications. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.